Making your mark. Understanding, leave your imprint. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we have a very special topic that's not only interesting but also quite inspiring. Leave your imprint. This phrase is rich in meaning and can be applied in various aspects of life. So, let's explore what it truly means to leave your imprint and how you can apply this concept in your own life. First, let's break down the phrase, leave your imprint. At its core, this phrase is made up of two key components, leave and imprint. To leave something means to cause it to remain as a result or consequence of one's action or presence. An imprint, on the other hand, is a mark or impression made by something. Therefore, when combined, leave your imprint metaphorically means to make a lasting impact or leave a significant mark on something or someone, in a way that it remains long after you're gone. Why is it important to leave your imprint? This concept goes beyond just making a mark. It's about creating a legacy and contributing positively to the world or the people around you. It's about making a difference, big or small, and knowing that your actions have the power to influence, inspire, or change something for the better. Whether it's through kindness, innovation, leadership, or creativity, leaving your imprint is about adding value and meaning to your life and the lives of others. Let's look at some examples of how you can leave your imprint in everyday life. Through your work, by excelling in your profession or creating something innovative, you can leave a lasting impact on your industry or community. By helping others, volunteering, mentoring, or simply being there for someone in need can make a significant difference in their lives. Creating art, artistic expressions, whether through painting, writing, music, or any other form, can leave a powerful emotional and cultural imprint. Environmental conservation, taking actions to protect the environment ensures a healthier planet for future generations. Leave your imprint is a powerful reminder that we all have the potential to make a difference in the world, in big ways and small. It's about the legacy we choose to create and the impact we wish to have on those around us and the world at large. We hope this video inspires you to think about how you can leave your own imprint. Remember, every action counts, and it's never too late to start making a positive impact. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.